Hello, this is Dr. Melody White with a quick tip for you. Have you ever recorded a video or had a video and wanted to get a transcript? You can actually get one with the tools that you have. Here I have Microsoft Word opened up. If you go to look in the top right hand corner, you'll see this microphone that says dictate. Click the arrow and choose transcribe. Then you can upload the audio. You pick your audio, you say open. The bigger the audio file, the longer it's going to take for it to transcribe, but it will transcribe. I recently did a Zoom video call that was 2.5 hours. So now you can see that it has been transcribed. You can then choose this add to document button. You can use just the text with the speakers, with the timestamps, or with the speakers and the timestamps. I'm going to choose speakers and timestamps. And so now you have the entire audio transcript in a document that you can then edit if you need to. So this is just a quick way for you to transcribe your video. Hope you enjoy. Have a great day.